Talk about being at the right place at the right time.
How lucky was that? That is so lucky. Awesome. I thought about going down this street. Oh yeah. That was just pure luck.
Yo! NNW! Two of them. Alright. Sorry about the exhausted voice, but I just have to run here to get on the train. But we're at the Georgia State Railroad Museum in, I think, Savannah, Georgia. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're on the train. And we're gonna be moving soon. So I'll let you know when we do. We are ready to highball. Oh my god, there's a little one over there. That's cool. Spicy corner. This is one spicy corner. There's the roundhouse.
Now, first things first, a little information about the engine that's lugging us around today. The SCRR-7069 comes all the way back from the U.S. Army. Granted, of course, when we acquired it, it had been going through a little bit of a midlife crisis. Most notably, it was painted bright neon green. However, after doing some of our own renovations, including a strip paint of the engine, we discovered the Transportation Corps logo as well as the dog tag number. We then promptly contacted the Army as train jacking the U.S. military is a federal offense and one we are not going down for. Now, they were more than happy to allow us to continue using the formerly lost locomotive. They were just glad we found the dang thing. And we've been proudly running it since 2008. Now we make our way over towards the roundhouse. More on that.
Spicy corner. Jeez. Definitely want to check out that little engine. Here we go onto the turntable. There's a little dude and the steam engine behind it, and behind the 119 is the number 30, which is currently having maintenance done on it. Also, that's a frameless tank car as far as I know.
Now, the roundhouse, more accurately at present, the Crescent House, looks the way it does because in the 1960s, when Southern Railway acquired this lot, they tore down half of the structure and sold it to renovate houses in South Carolina. So you can thank the city of Charleston for the way our site looks today. Now, we are more than grateful for what we have here, and what we have here is one of the last two remaining roundhouses in the state of Georgia. Now, the other one is located somewhere within the state of Georgia, I'm sure. Now, we are currently on a turntable, and this modern marvel of industrial age engineering was originally installed in 1855. Now, at that point, this structure was completely manual, meaning that it required two guys on either side to completely rotate the device 360 degrees by hand. Now, if you think that was a difficult job, then you would be slightly incorrect, as this thing was perfectly balanced, made even easier by the conical shape of how the basin forms and much of the oil and water that would be streaming in from the wooden blocks lining the floors of the roundhouse. All that and more would allow this structure to be moved by even just one man effectively. Now keep in mind I said that one man could move it, not that he wanted to. Nowadays it is powered by an electric motor, and even though that motor is over 100 years old and only powerful enough to operate a modern day lawnmower, I think you'll find that it suits our tour just as well. also important task of making sure that this turntable is perfectly aligned with that outside rail. Now, if he's even half an inch off in his calculations, then the entire train will derail. And subsequently, the tour will end. However, we have made it a habit of not doing that. That is thanks to the precise mathematical method he employs to make sure we are on target every single time. Now, this math is known as eyeballing it, but it has not failed us yet.
I think. Thank you for interrupting me. I think some turntables actually have a mechanism that kind of like folds or like kind of moves onto the.
Now, I'm sure you've noticed the most iconic train sounds, scientifically known as a choo-choo. Just believe me on that. Now, if the horn blasts once, that means we are parked. If it blasts twice, that means we're moving forward. So naturally, if it blasts 3 times, then that means it is time to jump ship. Kidding, of course. The signal for that is me tucking and rolling out of this window. No, 3 horn blasts means we're moving backwards. And right now, we're moving right back into the paint shop. More on that when we arrive.
Here's a better view of the little engine. Don't know the history on that thing, but I would love to know more. So if you know anything about that little guy, don't hesitate to let me know. There's no railroad bridge. And a whole bunch of trucks, pins. Looks like something from a passenger car. Another one from a passenger car. Here's the paint shop.
Welcome to the paint shop, where there are a myriad of interesting things at which to look at. For example, I will point all of your attentions over to this red metal boxcar. Now, the interesting thing about this boxcar is absolutely nothing. So instead, we're going to turn our attentions over here to the 1910s passenger car, where you can see that we are hard at work with deceiving you, because I'm going back to the metal boxcar. Now, this boxcar is one of the first of its kind for this company, being made out of metal. The previous boxcars exclusively utilized wooden frames, as evidenced by the one in front of it. Another first is the addition of advertisement on the sides of train cars. For a long time, the U.S. government forbade what they termed as billboard boxcars. However, I suppose that this has been a lesson in productivity, because since then they've happily relented. Now, in front of that, we have the yellow reefer car, which stands for refrigerated freight car, and that hauled perishable goods such as milk and or butter to and or from your local grocery stores. So, before there were semi-trucks, there you have it. Now, if you look directly to the back, you might be able to see the bright red caboose. Now, caboose, very funny word that is. Caboose, caboose, caboose. Love to say it. But can anybody tell me where we get the word caboose from? Yes, me? Molto bene. See, the word caboose comes from 2 words, and that is cabin house. And that is because it was the cabin that housed the brakeman, the conductor, and the flagman. And out of that merry trio of train troopers, I would argue that the most important person was the brakeman. Why? Because he was in charge of the brakes. And if he did not do his job, you risked what was known as a telescopic crash. Now, for those of you who are unaware, a little rule of thumb is this. If the word precedes the word crash, then it's usually not a very great thing. Hence, the brakeman. However, another key feature that added to his job is, of course, the protruding windows, like that caboose has at the top, which allows the brakeman to look out across the train and make sure that that plume of smoke billowing above it is coming from the engine and not one of the train cars. And leave their mark they did, as we have carefully and tirelessly cataloged each and every inch of graffiti along these walls. So we ask that you please refrain from leaving any more historic additions materials. Or at least that's what they claimed they did until the entire facility went up in flames yet again. However, not to be deterred, the railway decided to rebuild it a third time, only for it to be later demolished by a hurricane. So now, rather than tempt fate a fourth time, we believe that it looks a lot better with the skylight. But we do ask that you please refrain from smoking in the Children's Museum. Now, I suppose you're wondering why we haven't undergone certain projects such as reconnecting the old bridge or doing up some of the more dilapidated areas of our site. Well, the reason is quite simple. We can. You see, this site was made using a very rare, very specific type of material back in the beginning. Now, this is known as Savannah Gray brick. It's that dark and dingy looking brick you can see in abundance along that wall and in quite a few of our different sites. Now, that was first manufactured at a local plantation called the Hermitage down by the Savannah River. However, since then, we have lost the formula to recreate said material, meaning that all the Savannah Gray brick that is in the world today is all there will ever be. That is why the most we can do is preserve the site the best we can, which we do using your generous donations as well as gift shop purchases. So, like it or not, this tour has been brought to us by you all. Thank you for giving me a job.
There's the 119 again, and the 30, which is behind it, currently getting maintenance. And then we have the Caterpillar. I thought it was a Plymouth, but no, it's a Caterpillar. And then another tank engine behind it. Also a bay window to lose from the Southern. And of course the frameless tank car, as I like to call it. And yeah, to look what railroad it is, but hopper. A bunch of four, no, two observations, and it looks like two baggage cars. I don't know why, but that one is giving me New York Central vibes. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know. This is Southern. Number 8 then. Number 223. Better view of the Caterpillar diesel. It's so small, I love it. So, yeah. I don't want to use too much of my storage, so I'm going to cut to when we get to the little engine. But if I do...
And if you haven't, then I have been Patrick. Thank you very much, and hold on tight.
Son of a gun, that's Taylor Swift. Well, we're back. Check out the little guy. So, me and this guy were coming up to see the locomotive, and, it sunk. It's sunk in the ground.
Oh, it is.
Sunk. But yeah, did not know that this little guy existed.
Yeah.
Don't know if it's a real engine or not, but
Yes, it is.
well,
Diamond stack.
it doesn't. It does, but doesn't.
Let's go. Order off.
Yeah, I don't see any markings on the cylinders. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think this is a real engine because
Oh,
the firebox
danger zone.
danger. But yeah, this is. Although it looks like.
Okay.
Thank you for interrupting me. But I'm not sure if this is a locomotive, but I could be wrong.
Looks like it. It has a diamond stack.
Wait, hold up. Got markings on the smoke box.
On the smoke box door.
It's not a porter, because...
Oh, yeah.
No, wait, those are cylinders, just covered. Bongo.
Yeah.
But where would the thing? Oh, here would be the bell.
It doesn't have a bell
Huh.
or whistle. I wish that
I'm
was
honestly
all, but-
not really sure. We got this car.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's anything, but I don't know.
Close that for so. What is it right now? 326.
Does it even have flues? Let me check. I cannot.
Oh, I moved it.
Wait, it does have flues.
Wait, does it?
Yeah, they're kind of hard to see, but it does have flues. So it could be an engine, like a actual engine, but I don't know. Hope it is. This thing's cute. I like it.
I moved the coach a little bit.
Don't do that.
I just did.
Honestly, this thing's cute. I like it. Picasso.
I like Picasso.
Number 9, you are going in my photo album. Anywho, yeah, I think that's it. Me heading home soon, so let's go. Bye, number 9. Spicy. Alright, so we made a pit stop to go see number 7. The 280 here, narrow gauge, is the information about it. You can pause to read it if you want, but yeah, here it is. I'm pretty sure this is a work colleague or workmate to number 5 at Ardenwood. It's one of the 262 that's at Ardenwood. This also worked alongside it. It's got the onion stack, as I like to call it. Is that? Ain't got no headlight, but yeah, it's a cool thing. You can see inside the cylinders. Nice. Here's the cab of the locomotive. Definitely use some TLC. There's some sort of pipe. It's the firebox. Firebox door. Oh, looks like it's a deckless engine by the looks of it. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's the tender. It's where the coal or wood would go. Yeah, it looks like this thing is deckless. It's interesting. It's tender. So this is in South Carolina, which is really cool. Oh, I don't know what this is, but something. Probably like some sort of tank that used to be on the back. I don't know. But yeah, there's the end. Oh, there's the headlight. I think for the front or back. I'm not sure, but there's a headlight up there. Don't know why it's not up there. But yeah, here she is. Very cool narrow gauge engine built by HK Porter. So yeah, just want to make a pit stop and see the engine. Really nice.